What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be going over 3 fragrances I'm bringing on my vacation. Not really vacation. It's more of a quick trip to Florida just to go see my parents. It's actually my dad's birthday today, so I'm going to fly to Florida to surprise them. They don't watch my videos, so I could easily say this on camera, but it is my dad's 50th birthday. So yeah, flying out there, gonna surprise them. But here are the fragrances I'm gonna bring, even though I'm gonna only be there for about 2 or 3 days because I gotta get back to work. And then it's my fiance's birthday on Sunday, so I'm pretty much stuck with birthdays around here. But Loewe's 7 Cobalt is definitely one that's going in my bag. Am I bringing 3 fragrances for 3 days? Absolutely. As of right now, I'm kind of picking what I'm going to wear for those days, just because I'm about to start packing. I haven't even started packing, and I have to leave in like 3 hours to the airport, but it is what it is. Loewe's 7 Cobalt for sure is making it inside the bag, not only because of how great it smells. Obviously, it's like a Blue de Chanel, but better in my opinion. Fresh, spicy, shaving foamy, but it's more because of the bottle that it's in. It's a 50 ml bottle. All the bottles that I am mentioning in today's video are actually smaller bottles. Most of the time, my travel fragrance is Gucci Guilty Pour Homme, but that's more for work-related trips. This one's just for family, so even though this one might be my new work trip cologne, honestly, but yeah, Loewe's 7 Cobalt. It's definitely one that's gonna make it inside my backpack that I'm bringing. It's a sturdy bottle, which is a good thing. Plus, not really a cheapie, so in case anything that happens, it's kind of a cheaper fragrance. I'd pick up the 3.4 ounce bottle if anything were to happen. But yeah, definitely easy to bring around as well. Next is one that it's a really good fragrance. Another really small bottle. It's gonna be Mephisto's. It's going to be Xerjoff's Mesto. So yes, this is similar to Silver Mountain Water from Creed. A little bit more basic. I'm thinking this fragrance does make me think about going into picking up Gentle Uomo, Mephisto Gentle Uomo, see what the differences are. If I find a similar size bottle, I might just get the bigger bottle though. If it's that much different. But who knows? While I'm down in Florida, I might just go visit like a mall real quick just to get my nose on a few things. If I had time, I'm not really gonna spend too much time down there, so it's not like I could have too much time to go shopping and all that fun stuff. But Mephisto, it's one that I love. I'm a bigger fan of Silver Mountain Water, but this is really similar. And depending if my dad really enjoys this scent profile, I might just end up giving him my bottle. I tend to give away my fragrances to family members, even though I really enjoy them, and I'll just pick them back up at another time. I just enjoy sharing fragrances. I don't know, I guess I'm a little generous, or a little too generous sometimes, but yeah, this is something that if he were to like say that that he really enjoys it, I might just go ahead and give him my 30 ml bottle with the thought of purchasing an 100 ml bottle in the future. And lastly, this one I'm gonna bring, but I'm a little worried about it just because, well, it should be sturdy enough. It's gonna be Aquade's Elixir. Yeah, this is a great scent. I actually wore this out of the shower today. And I'm like, I definitely have to bring this down to Florida. The only thing is, it's a fully glass bottle. Even though this is fully glass as well, it's a little smaller, so I'm not too worried about it breaking. But Aquade for the 50 ml is a little bit more on the expensive side. So I don't want to bring anything that's like a Creed or anything. But for sure, we'll be bringing Aquade's Elixir. And trust me, I'm about to just put them inside some socks. Maybe like bundle each bottle up in a sock, just so in case anything, the worst happens, nothing's gonna break. Or if not, I'm gonna have really nice smelling socks. But those are the 3 fragrances I'm bringing down to my trip to Florida. Not really going to be like a beach vacation type of trip. I'll actually make tomorrow's video about that, just because I got to pre-record a little bit of content, and I might record one video for Saturday. There might not even be an upload Saturday, just because I don't have a video idea to pre-record for Saturday. I'm thinking about doing something either at a duty free, at the airport, or if not, might just miss a day. Trying not to, so there probably will be an upload, but who knows. But yeah, these are the 3 fragrances I do have, or that I will be bringing to Florida. Let me know what you guys think about these fragrances. These are, I think, 3 really good fragrances. It could be, professional trips, any quick trip, family trips. You're gonna smell nice, and they're not too difficult to wear. Could wear them in any scenario. But my scent of the day, it's going to be my scent of the day to the airport. It's probably going to be Royal Water by Creed. Kind of feel like wearing that fragrance today, so that's probably what I'm going to go with just to get to the airport. Again, it's a light fragrance, so it's not going to be something that's too crazy to get in an airplane. I'm not going to choke anybody around me or anything like that. So, but yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Please leave a like, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good one, guys.